Hi everyone, today I'm going to cover few magical prompts for cloud admins. In a day-to-day life, every admin has some checklist that they need to perform either daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. To prepare such kind of checklist, it takes loads of time and they need to consider wide variety of parameters, metrics and on different features. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare such kind of checklist using Claude within few minutes. Without further delay, I'm opening my Claude window here and I already have a prompt. I'm going to put it in the description. Please copy and uh, paste in your Claude as well. So here I created act as a senior Azure cloud architect and productivity specialist, and whether it is daily, monthly, weekly, that all need to be specified by Claude. So let me just give this prompt to the Claude. After 3-4 minutes, I'm getting this outcome. You can see here, your enterprise grade Azure admin operation checklist is all ready and it is ready to download, which is in XLSX format. If you want in a document, definitely it will provide you either whether it is a PowerPoint or Excel. I'm just going to download to show you how that it is all. It's really fantastic checklist that it already created with Azure Admin Checklist Pro Tips Automation Lesson Guide. Let me just open that for you. You can see it here. It's amazing outcome. And I have pro tips with all the script code for automate daily backup, job health checkup. This is amazing. I asked for checklist, but it is also giving me the scripts and all the stuff what it is required for frequently color coding, like what is it color it used for daily, monthly, and all the stuff. Uh, Thank you for watching my videos. I'll come up with more magical prompts for admins and other technology people. Thank you.